besibonile lokho ukuthi la eswini siyawinela amabhola and bebemaka mfethu imakile iLupopo first half mfethu ilithola iphasi beyibonana iSundowns bekungalulo ukuthi iligcine isikhathi eside ibhola 1-2 sebelithathile phambi kwelokhuja kwesisu ibhola sebeya lokhuja sebeya attacker sebeya hamba bayoshama ama target lapha
uZwane bengeze kwazi nokudlala la uThemba Zwane kanti yazi bese abantu abafana no Michael Cardozo mfethu lo mdlalo mfethu uyixoki yazi indaba ngoba ngithi uyixoki uyaluma uyaphephetha uma uCardozo akabathanda abadlali abamnyama I will say that I will repeat that because why if you remember we Champions League final semi-final against Al Ahly kwangena uThemba Zwane we forced errors sathola on goal sa qualify sa ku final uThemba Zwane umsizile ukuthi qualify ku final ku finally he doesn't play him away home and away he doesn't play him what did you get sadliwa akaphili vele kuThemba Zwane
ilento engiyibuzile
then emva lapho weza ukuthi okay kuyashisa manje ama-fans amtinyela nje ama-fans then wahamba waseyoposta noThemba